Hi everyone, I'm back with another Stitch Fix video. I think I will be doing these once a month. I have really been enjoying them and I've gotten some great treasures from Rachel. Stitch Fix is kind of a subscription service. You're not tied down to having to get a box every month or every couple months or anything. It's really more of an on-demand service. And you get 5 things in the mail once you have filled out a personal profile online about your likes and dislikes, colors, styles, things like that. And you can put in specifically if you're just looking for shoes or a particular kind of jacket or a wide variety of things that you might need in your wardrobe. It's really easy to send the items back. It costs you $20 for the styling fee, but that goes towards any purchase that you might make from your box. You can send 4 things back. You still get $20 off the one item that you might purchase. Like I said, it's really easy to send any items back. I don't have any other subscription boxes that I subscribe to. This one just gives me enough freedom, and I am super excited about the things that I have found, and I love being able to try things on in my home. So I'm going to go ahead and jump right in. I didn't give Rachel, who's my stylist, I didn't give her a clue about what I wanted this month. I wasn't sure. I really was busy and I didn't have a lot that I needed for my wardrobe. So she said that she just chose things in the colors that she knew that I liked. I am 55 years old. I had my birthday this last month. I'm 5'2". Right now I weigh about 108, 110 pounds. I have a very casual lifestyle. I don't work outside of the home, and I live in the forest. I live in a big log home, and I just lead a very casual life. So I like cozy, easy to wear things. So Rachel knows this, and this is my box right here. So we're going to go ahead and jump right in. The first thing is by Mix by 41 Hawthorne, a black extra small. Let's see, that looks like a cardigan. Okay, so this is not a petite. Since I'm 5'2", sometimes she gives me petites, and I think because things weren't fitting correctly, she's changed it up to extra small regular, because I'm right on the border of regular sizes and petite sizes. Some petites are far too short for me. So this is a regular extra small. It's kind of a medium weight, thinner cardigan that feels really nice. It's a knit, and it's got the pockets built in to kind of like almost like a shawl collar. I'm not quite sure how to say it. Front. I'll show you when I go ahead and try it on, but this looks promising. I only have one black cardigan, and it's a Barefoot Dream, so it's thicker. It's got a hood too, and it's pretty warm, so we'll see how that works out. And then that is $38. The next item is a cut from the cloth Dana skinny jean in a 2 petite. It's $88. Okay, these look very simple. They're a good length. They're not too skinny for me. I have larger calves, so I really have to be careful how skinny and narrow the bottom of the pants get. They've got smaller pockets, which is nice because I have a very flat butt. I have a really flat bottom genetically. I do my squats. I try really hard, but my family kind of giggles at me because it's just super flat. So smaller pockets like these that are higher up really are more flattering for me. Some pockets just go right down onto my thighs. It's pretty sad. So this looks like a medium to high waist. Let's see if it says. It doesn't. It looks pretty basic but nice. So I know Cut from the Cloth is a really good brand, so I'm excited to try those. Next we have a Valencia V-neck pullover by Pink Clover in dark purple. By the way, this top I'm wearing here is a Stitch Fix top that I love. It's got 3/4 length sleeves, beautiful detail, super, feels like you're wearing a t-shirt. It's really nice. So this is it in a size extra small. It's $48. It's close in color to what I'm wearing. Feels really soft. got long sleeves. It's a good long length. I could wear it with leggings. It is dry clean only, and I need to let Rachel know that I really, unless it's a dress or a jacket, I really don't want anything that's dry clean, even though this does look really pretty. I'll try that on and see how much I like it. And then the next thing is a Emery Park Dulce 3/4 length sleeve cross front in dark green, size extra small. This is a t-shirt. Looks like 3/4 length sleeves. It has the crisscross in front. It's a beautiful color. I love greens. She's right. I love the purple. I love the greens, and she's got a navy blouse in here too that looks really pretty. So both of those, the sweater and the t-shirt, look really nice. Okay, so this last one is by John Paul Richard. It's Raylin crochet detail top in navy, and it's an extra small for $44. Oh, this is pretty. This is really pretty. Look at that. You can see the crochet in the back, and the sleeves have detail on them. They look 3/4 length. That's really pretty. The only problem I can see, I like the material too, it's gauzy like for the spring. The only thing, this really pretty detail in front is see-through all the way from where your bra would show and your stomach and your pants. So I would have to wear a camisole with this, and I'm not fiddly. Even putting a camisole under something sometimes will deter me from wearing it. I am not a fiddly, fussy dresser. Those of you who are, I admire you. You look so put together and beautiful. I am super easy when it comes to clothing, but this is really pretty. I might be willing to do that for this. I love the color, and I like that it's not a t-shirt material. It's really pretty. So that's my box. There weren't any shoes or anything like that. I'm going to go ahead and try the things on and come back and let you know what I've chosen. Okay, these are the Cut by the Cloth jeans in Petite 2, and this is the Emery Park knit. It's kind of a t-shirt material. I love the length of the sleeves. I love how soft it is. I do really like the fit. It's a little bit longer, but I like that. I'm not quite sure about how wide and how low this goes down, and the straps. I got a black sweater in my last box that had a couple straps that I really liked, but I don't know if I want more strappy. More of the strappy. I love the color, and I do feel like it's comfortable. These jeans, I would say, are mid-rise, and they fit me really well. I have a hard time with things fitting around my thighs and my calves. My thighs are smaller, my calves are bigger. In the back, like I said, my butt is really flat, but these higher, smaller pockets really do help make it look a little bit more flattering. They're super comfortable. So for sure I'm going to get the jeans. I'm not quite sure about the top. This is the Mix by 41 Hawthorne Martina slub knit cardigan. The length is pretty good. It's not too long. It feels really nice. It's got these built-in pockets that kind of swoop around where the opening is. I like that. This is what it looks like in the back. Collar is like this. I like it. It's casual, but I really like it. It's not too thick, and I love the material. It is definitely delicate wash. I really like it. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and try on the other two tops. Here's the pink clover pullover. I love the color. I love how the material feels. It's very soft. It's a thin knit sweater. The sleeves are the perfect length. I think it's flattering. It fits me really well. It's long enough to cover everything. If I want to wear, say, those leopard print leggings that I got in my last box, they would look really nice with this. I really like it. The only problem I'm having with this is that it's dry clean, and I would like to wear this quite often. It's cold here, and this is just one of those things you can throw on with everything. So I'm going to have to determine, I wish I knew if I could wash this in cold and air dry it and if it would stay nice. But if any of you know this, please let me know, because I don't want to get any more dry cleaning sweaters or things like that. But I love this. I really do. I know it's simple, but I love it. It's really nice. Okay. Here's the John Paul Richard blouse. The sleeves are between 3/4 and all the way down. They have this beautiful detailing on the sleeve, or you can see through to my skin. It goes all the way around. I love that. I love this lace that's up here. It has the opening, I don't know what that's called, but it has the openings all the way down. So I put a little short black camisole underneath this so you wouldn't see my bra and my skin through it. But it's really lightweight. It feels really nice for the springtime. It's this beautiful blue color. I like how it fits. It's kind of flowy, so on those warmer spring days, this would be really, really nice. I think she has it styled also with a skirt, so I'll have to mess around. I've got several skirts and see if any of them would look nice with this before I determine if I'm going to keep it or not. But what do you think? Do you think it's worth having to wear a camisole? Let me show you the back. I think it's got lace at the back. Yes, there's the back of it. Is it worth putting on a camisole every time you want to wear this? This is also hand washed, so that's fine with me. I think it's really pretty, and I have so many t-shirts and tops and blouses that don't have a lot of detail that this is kind of nice. So I'm definitely considering this. I just hope that I don't pass it over because I don't want to grab that camisole. I am that lazy with my clothes. So I'll be thinking about this, and I'll get back to you in a few minutes with my final thoughts. Thanks. Okay, so this was a great box. Rachel did an excellent job without any requests from me, which I think would be difficult. I'm definitely going to get the jeans. I'm going to get the black cardigan. I'm not sure about the other 3 tops. There's something about each one, however slight. I think they're all pretty, but there's just something that's not quite right with each one, and I am going to be this picky because I know I'll be receiving future boxes, and I really want to pick only those things that I absolutely love and I don't have any issues at all with. So let me know your opinion on those tops. I might change my mind and pick up 1 or 2 of those. I really appreciate you watching. I hope that you enjoyed this. If you do receive Stitch Fix, let me know if you've gotten something that's really, really phenomenal and I should go ahead and request it for my next box. If you want to go ahead and get a Stitch Fix box, you can get a little bit of money off if you use my link, and I will as well. But you definitely don't need to do that. You can just go to stitchfix.com and request one on your own. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate all of you. Remember, be kind, be grateful, and be brave, and I will see you next time.